So here's how to create new form on ConvertKit. Creating new form on ConvertKit is pretty easy if you know where to look. Just follow these steps to find out how. First of all, you need to open up your web browser and go to your ConvertKit dashboard. And as you can see, I'm already logged into my account. From here, you need to click on Grow from the top panel right here. After that, from the options, you need to click on Landing Pages and Forms. Then, on the next page, you will get to see this option that says Create New on the right side. Just click on that option. Once you click on it, you'll be redirected to this page. Here, you will get to see two options. Just click on Form. And as you can see, we have 4 options for the display format of the form to choose from. So for this video, I will go with Inline. You can choose whichever one you like. And then, on the next page, you'll get to see a lot of templates to choose from. Scroll through the options and click on Choose on the one you like. After that, you'll get to see your template right here. And all you need to do is edit your template however you want. On the right side, you can see a lot of options to customize your form. If you click on Replace, you'll be able to see this option. And on the left side, you will see Unsplash. If you click on that, you will get to see stock images that you can use. Also, you can import pictures from Instagram. And if you select Image, you can drag and drop your image from your desktop. But for this tutorial, I will go with Unsplash. Then I will scroll through the options and select a picture that I like. And as you can see, the picture on the template has been replaced with the one I have chosen. Then I will click on this button. And after that, I can set the background color of this button however I like. You even have the option to type in the color code that you want. That way, you can get the precise color you're looking for. So just go through all the options and customize your new form however you like, and then you can click on Save or Publish on the top right. So that is exactly how you can create a new form on ConvertKit. Please subscribe to the channel and like the video if this helps you out.